Yeah, not going to lie, I find that hard work. About an hour is enough. I've cleared, what, 30 square metres? Looks all rough. I'll give it a rake at some point, even it out a bit. But yeah, that is better. The other stalks you can see sticking up are just dead bracken, and that's fine. So, you've got to have some grudging respect for the humble bramble. They're very difficult to destroy. Have a look at this one. The pile here. So that one, I built a bonfire on it, and look, it's still alive. So these are destined to be burnt. You've got to dig up the root hub. Let's find a good one. Because that is a store of energy, and it can grow back from that, and you have to get as many of the roots as you can. So there you go. The destiny for that lot is a fire. These other bramble vines I got from over here, pulling them out of this tree. This tree was infested with brambles. You can see the kind of thing over here where I've killed the brambles, but they persist in the tree. So what I try and do, if I have the heart, is to pull them out, but I shall leave this corner because there's a couple of robins living here, and if I pull out the brambles it'll probably destroy their nest, so I'll leave it. But this tree has got its mojo back, and I'll burn all these brambles as soon as the wind is in a decent direction and I don't have to smoke my neighbours out. There you go then. Not a sentence, perhaps, you ever imagined you might say, but grubbing with a mattock, baby. Now you look after yourself, alright? See ya!